Forgotten username recovery failed on Curve Metal Fix. If your Curve Metal username recovery isn't working, don't worry. Most people get this wrong because Curve Metal, like standard Curve accounts, has moved away from traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that your registered email now serves as your primary login credential. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Open the Curve app and enter the email associated with your Curve Metal account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, look for past notifications from Curve, like spending alerts or subscription updates. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up via Google, Apple, or another third-party login, use the same method to log in. Switching login methods is a frequent reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Curve support. Provide your full name, registered email, and a brief explanation that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and help you regain access safely. Many users assume their account is permanently inaccessible, but the truth is simple Curve Metal removed usernames to make logging in simpler and more secure. So rest easy, your account and premium benefits are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back enjoying Curve Metal without delay.